Hello everyone, Fauzan is in here and I will show you about the program with the doodles, and we can make any other drawing with the display and with the joystick. Okay, we will start the program and like here. So we want to move something square in here. Up to you. You want to scroll with the joystick. If you press the left one in your joystick, the line with drawing to the left. If you press in up, the line will be drawing in the up, and if you press it the right one, you can draw with the right line in here. If you press the down, you can make a line in down, and you can make something like different in here. If we have a something problem or wrong line we made it, you can press the middle in here from the clear the doodles like here. Okay, we start again from 0, I think, and 1, 2, oh maybe it's 5, 3, 4, 5. I have a 5 before. This is 6, and the others. You can clear the screen like this, and everyone can draw the rectangle or square, something in the display like this. Okay guys, the program will be showed in the last videos. Okay, thank you.